Wow. Oh. Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe. Do you want to save some money? I'm pretty sure you do. Save some hassle? I'm sure you do. Talking about hand soap here. This is standard hand soap. Now you can see it's pretty thick. And foaming hand soap, which is in this bottle here, well, it's empty now. It's a very thin liquid, so really quick, I mean, rather than spending a couple bucks on this little bottle of foaming hand soap, you can make your own. Basically, the nozzles on these, it's just a special nozzle that it aerates the water and stuff as it comes out. So all you need to do, take the lid off, get your favorite, standard soap that you'd wash dishes with, and you need to put in 1 tablespoon. For those people in Canada, that is 15 mils. So pour that in there. And you can figure out the ratios, but that was 1 tablespoon into 7.5 fluid ounces, or 15 mils into 221 mils. So there you go. And now over here, I'll get this on camera. Just gonna put some water in here, fill this up. Alright, it's full. Put the lid on. And guess what? Away you go! You have the foaming hand wash. And it costs all of like, I don't know, 2 cents instead of like $2. Save yourself some money. Take care of it yourself. Thank you very much for watching my video. Basically, check out the description below. I have a link there for more videos on how to do easy stuff. So check it out, and please subscribe, or at least like this video, and please come back for more. Have a great day. Take care.